How are you all? So how did you do your social exam? Were you able to answer all the questions? Yes, of course. I suppose all must have done. Why? Because the paper was very easy, isn't it? Okay. Only MCQs and true or false. Okay, children. So this week, third period, that is from 1 to 1:30, we are going to have social class. Okay. So do you remember last Monday? So we learned one lesson. Okay. So in term 2, that is second lesson. So first lesson was our neighborhood. Second lesson was festivals. Do you remember, children? And last Monday, we have learned about the lesson about festivals. So already we have done through PPT, we have learned. Okay. So just we will revise. Then after that, we will be doing textbook exercises. Okay. So festivals. So I explained what is the meaning of a festival, or what do you mean by festivals? Okay. So festival means a day of celebration. Okay. Day of celebration. It can be so celebrated by sharing or coming together, getting together, sharing, etc. Okay. Celebrating together. A day of celebration. So these celebrations, these festivals are based on religion, traditions, yes, customs, cultures. Okay. So based on all these aspects, so we have got a day of celebration. So definitely on the day of festival, we have got a holiday. Okay. So a public holiday we call it. So why do we get a holiday? So that we can celebrate together at home. Okay. So festival means day of celebration. So it also can be coming together, sharing together, celebrating. Okay. So that's what. So we have learned different festivals that are celebrated in India. So our India is known as land of festivals. Now what do you mean by land of festivals, children? What do you mean by land of festivals? Yes? Why? Because we celebrate many festivals in our country based on we have got different religions, different customs, different cultures, different traditions. Okay, so that's what India is called as a land of festivals. So what are the festivals we have learned, children? Already we have learned? Yes. So what are they? So as for the lesson given, okay. So we have learned Holi. Next we have Raksha Bandhan. Yes, children. Still what else? Yes, as for the lesson we have learned, okay. Dasara, okay. Next we have Pongal, okay. As for the lesson given, okay. So apart from these, we also have got festivals like, what are they? Lohri, it is called Durga Puja. Bihu. Next, what do we have? Yes, Gurparab. Okay, Gurparab. So it is called Gurparab. Next, we have what else? Christmas. Next, we have Ramzan. And we also have got Deepavali. Okay. So as for the lesson, so last week already we have learned through PPT. Okay. So Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Dasara, Pongal. Okay. And Lodi, Durga Puja, Bihu, Gurparab, Christmas, Ramzan, Deepavali. Okay. So these are the festivals. Sir, PPT sharing. Okay. So last week we have learned, once again we will recall through PPT. Already we have done, children. So about all of them we will be learning. Okay. So just this is only revising. Already we have learned. Okay. So India is a land of festivals. So in India we celebrate different festivals. Okay. So India is a land of festivals. We celebrate different festivals in our country. So here you find different festivals. The pictures of different festivals, okay, are given. Okay. So as for the lesson, so next we have, this is only revising, children. Already I have explained. Okay. So next we have Holi. Okay. So Holi is a festival of colors. People play with dry colors as well as colored water. So dry colors, what do we call these dry colors? So in the picture you see dry colors. So these dry colors are called as gulal. Okay, as well as colored water. So here you find, isn't it? You see here children playing with the colors. Okay, so with colored water here, dry colors. So a special sweet gujia is made on this festival. So gujia looks like this. Okay. So this is like, looks like, so in our own language we say kajikaya. Okay. Inside we have different stuffs that are put. Okay. So during this festival people sing and dance. Why? Because it is a festival. So people come together and they celebrate. Next we have Raksha Bandhan. So Raksha Bandhan, what is the other name for this festival? Rakhi Purnima. So we call it also as Rakhi Purnima. Okay. So it is the festival of bond of love between brothers and sisters. Okay. Sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers. They pray for their well-being. Brothers promise to protect their sisters in all ways. So here you find, so it is a custom, okay? So sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers. So tying Rakhi here, okay? So next we have Dasara. Dasara is celebrated for 10 days. For how many days, children? It is celebrated for 10 days. We enjoy watching Ram Leela, a play that tells about Lord Rama's victory over Ravana. Okay, Ram Leela. So here a play. Okay, so that is displayed. So Ram Leela, you know little bit about. So why this Ram Leela is played? So why? What is this? That tells about victory over Ravana. So here Lord Rama. So Ravana is a demon. Okay. So that's what, by killing this demon Ravana, so Lord Rama, okay, restored victory. That is. Next we have, on the day of the festival, the effigies of Ravana, his brother Kumbhakaran and son Meghnad are burned. This event marks the victory of good over evil. So I explained it, children, what is meant by effigies. Okay, effigies of 3 persons. So here in the slide you see 3 effigies. In the center, Ravana, his brother Kumbhakaran and son Meghnad. Effigies means, so made of model of person. Okay, that is to be destroyed or to be burned. Okay, so that's what. So this event marks the victory of good over evil. So by burning these effigies, indicating destroying, okay, evil. Okay. So this event marks the victory of good over evil. Okay. And this Dasara is also known as Vijayadashmi. Okay. I told. So this Dasara is celebrated in different states in different ways. So in North India, they watch this Ramalila and they have got this burning of effigies. But in South India, we have got, okay, so whereas Kanaka Durga, okay, Durga, goddess Durga, Kanaka Durga, okay, restores victory by killing the demon or evil called Mahishasura. Okay, so in South India, we celebrate. So here you find, okay, so Kanaka Durga, okay, goddess Kanaka Durga, okay, killing a demon called Mahishasura. Okay, next we have Pongal. So this also we have explained. So Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu, and this Pongal is celebrated in which month, children? During which month it is celebrated? In the month of January. So this Pongal is celebrated for 3 days, and this festival also remarks, okay, worshipping sun god, okay, sun god, S-U-N, sun, okay, sun god. Okay, so it is celebrated for 3 days. So in the month of January, so first day, Bogi Pongal, okay, celebrated on the first day. So Bogi. So in North India and this festival also, okay, on January, okay. So 13th they celebrate Lodi, okay. So Lodi in Punjab, indicating harvest festival for them, okay. But in South India we call it as Bogi, Bogi Pongal. And next, second day is Thai Pongal, when the sun god is worshipped. And the second day, so here you see, so they are worshipping sun god. Mattu Pongal, on third day, Mattu Pongal is celebrated. On this day, cattle are worshipped. Pongal means rice. So on that day, they prepare a sweet called Pongal. So people prepare a sweet dish called Pongal in a pot by boiling rice with jaggery and milk. That is called Pongal. So you must have tasted, isn't it? On every festival, so we have a custom to prepare Pongal, isn't it? Yes. So here they are preparing Pongal. And you see, okay, Sankranti is also, okay, time of Rangoli, okay. So girls, all the girls and women are busy, okay. So in front of their house, making Rangoli, okay. And next we have different festivals that are celebrated. Lodi, Durga Puja and Bihu are some of the other festivals that are celebrated in our country. Lodi, Durga Puja, Bihu. Okay, Lodi and Bihu. So on the day of Bogi Pongal, okay, January 13th. So Lodi as a harvest festival they celebrate in Punjab and Haryana. Okay, so and Bihu, especially it is also called harvest festival, celebrated in Assam. And Durga Puja, okay, you know Durga Puja, okay, at the time of Dasara. So Dasara is celebrated for 10 days, okay. So on each day they do puja to goddess Durga, okay. So next we have Gur Parab. So Gur Parab, so what is this Gur Parab? It is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti or Guru Purnima. So what is the meaning of it? Guru Nanak Jayanti means, okay, Guru Nanak birthday. This is also called as Guru Purnima and this is also called as Guru Parab. Okay, so especially on Kartika Purnami it is celebrated. Okay, so yesterday and okay, we celebrated Kartika Purnami. Okay, so on Kartika Purnami day, this Guru Nanak Jayanti or Guru Purnima, okay, celebrated. Next we have Christmas. So you know Christmas means the birth of Lord Jesus Christ, that is being celebrated by Christians. Okay, and next we have Ramzan. Ramzan is celebrated by Hindu brethren. Okay, by Muslim. Sorry, Ramzan is I am very sorry. Ramzan is celebrated by Muslim brethren. Okay, so that means Muslims celebrate Ramzan. So fasting for 40 days. So they fast and pray for 40 days and they end this fast and prayer by celebrating this Ramzan. So this Ramzan, so they fast and pray to renew oneself or for self-revelation. Okay. So for self-revelation or to renew oneself for 40 days they fast and pray, and they end their fast and prayer by celebrating the Ramzan. So Ramzan is celebrated by Muslim brethren. Okay. And next we have got Deepavali. So festival of light. So in the recently, okay. So just 16 days back we have celebrated this Deepavali. Okay. So after Dasara we have celebrated. Okay. So these are the festivals that are celebrated in our country. Now, shall we move on to the textbook exercises, children? Yes. So that's what our country is called as land of festivals. Now I request all the children, please take the textbook. Already for maths you had open textbook. I know that it is in front of you. The textbook is in front of you. So I request the parents to help your children to open their textbook. Okay. Quickly we will do the textbook exercises, children. Please take the page 127. Page 127. All of you take the page 127. So we have got activity. Page 127. Page 127. Page 127. Okay, so somebody is giving, today is Guru Parab. Okay, so in North India they celebrate Guru Parab. Okay, so page 127. Did you all take, children? So we have got an activity 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pictures are there. So they have given the pictures of different festivals. So you have to recognize what are the festivals. Okay, pictures of different festivals. First one, what is this? First one, what is the name of first festival, children? Ramzan. Okay. And second one, what is that? Guru Parv. Okay. See, children, when you are writing name of a festival, so the first letter should be capital. Okay. Ramzan R capital. Next, Guru Parab. G capital. G-U-R. P-U-R-A-B. Guru Parab. Third one. So festival of lights. So you find different lights. Deepavali. D capital, children. Deepavali. 1, 2, 3, fourth one. Okay. So Christmas, C capital. First one Ramzan, R-A-M-Z-A-N, Ramzan. Gurpurab, G-U-R-P-U-R-A-B, Gurpurab. Deepavali, Deepavali. Okay, pay attention. Next, fourth one, Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas. Yes, children? Once you are ready, next, take the page 128. So you have in the green box 2 MCQs. The green box, multiple choice questions. First one, pick the correct answers. First one, on which festival sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers? Options are given: Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan. Okay. So, on which festival sisters tie Rakhi, children? On the festival of Raksha Bandhan. Okay. So, here the option is C. Raksha Bandhan. Okay. And ticket. Next, the second one. Gujia is made on dash. A. Diwali, B. Holi, C. Raksha Bandhan. So, Gujia is made on which festival, children? I have shown the pictures of Gujia, sweet. It is a sweet dish. Okay. So, on which festival? On Holi. B. Option B. Okay. On Holi. Underline and tick it. Write in the blank. Okay. So on same page, we have got exercise A, oral questions. Oral questions they have given. First one, which is your favorite festival? So that is left to you. So that you have to write. Why? Because each child has got their own festival. Okay, favorite festival. So they will write. And second one, name the festival of colors. Name the festival of colors. Okay. So exercise A. So first one is left to you, children. I am not writing. But second one, name the festival of colors. So what is it? Holi. H-O-L-I. Holi. You write. Okay. Next we have quiz. Exercise B. Exercise B we have. In which month is Pongal celebrated? In which month Pongal is celebrated, children? In the month of January. So write. First one, January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. Okay. Next, the second one. Name the popular festival of brothers and sisters. What is that? Sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brothers. What is that festival called, children? Raksha Bandhan. R-A-K-S-H-A, Raksha, B-A-N-D-H-A-N, Raksha Bandhan. So I said whenever you are writing the names of festivals, the first letter should be capital. And here you are writing Name of a month. So first letter should be capital. J should be capital. Okay. So next we have exercise C. We will complete, children. Only very few, no? So we will complete this one. So we began late, isn't it? So no problem. So just 5 minutes. C, exercise C. Page. Page 129. Page 129. Quiz we have done. Page 129. Exercise C. Tick the correct answers. First one. Dash is celebrated for 10 days. Among these festivals, Holi, Pongal, Dasara. So among these three festivals, which is celebrated for 10 days? Dasara. Dasara is celebrated for, first one, Dash is celebrated for 3 days. I'm sorry, children. That is next one. Okay, this is, okay, but this one you take. Exercise C. Dash is celebrated for 3 days. So Holi, Pongal and Dasara. So for 3 days, which festival is celebrated? 3 days, Pongal. Okay. So option B is correct. Pongal, underline. Okay. Second one, during which festival we enjoy watching Ram Leela? So during which festival, children? Watching Ram Leela, and that is also celebrated for 10 days, that festival. So among the options given, A, Holi, B, Christmas, C, Dasara. So C, Dasara. D-U-S-S-E-H-R-A. Next, third one. What do festival teach us? A, sharing, B, togetherness, C, both of these. C, okay? So both of these. So that is sharing and togetherness. Next, exercise D. A special sweet dash is prepared on Holi. So what is the here given box? So what is prepared, children? Exercise D on page 129. Gujia. G-U-J-H-I-Y-A. Gujia. And second one, sisters tie dash on the wrist of their brothers. What do they tie? Rakhi. R-A-K-H-I. Rakhi. And next we have test yourself. Pick the correct answers. Dasara is celebrated for dash days. 7 days, 10 days, 5 days. Dasara is celebrated for 10 days. Test yourself, children. Option B is correct, okay? Pongal is the main festival of dash. Pongal is the main festival of which state, children? Tamil Nadu. A. Okay. So please take the screenshot if those who have not done. Okay, children. Tomorrow we will be doing the class work. So be ready with the social class work we will be doing. So you take the screenshot and this textbook exercises as homework. For tomorrow, These textbook exercises are homework. Okay. So good afternoon, children. Have a good day. Okay.